Loula's farm is the last stop on the Shepherd's Heritage Trail.
Over the last 15 years, we've taken literally hundreds of teachers and students to Loulla. She's a shepherdess and traditional cheesemaker and a bastion of the local Orthodox Church, which still follows the Julian calendar. At this stop, visitors experience traditional cheesemaking, witnessing the artisanal production of halloumi and anari cheeses. The process was straightforward and with the addition of a pinch of mint and a vacuum pack done. Outside, there is a cheese safe containing maturing kefalotiri, another Cypriot delight grated onto macaroni, pasta. At Loulla's, the sitting room is really big, with many tables and chairs. Loulla has a big family and she needs all this space for family gatherings. But of course, this is not the only reason. There are many people who come up here. Some tour operators and coaches with people who want to buy or want to see how halloumi is made. This means that Loulla keeps busy by demonstrating her business every now and then. She refers to a series on TV on the Mediterranean cuisine from Greece and tells me that recently these people paid her a visit and it was broadcasted. Some Cypriot magazines have several times published articles about her. If the visit is in the weeks up to Easter, the farm produces an extra cheese, the cheese for flaunes. Flaunes. A traditional Cypriot Easter cheese-filled bread. They are made with an aromatic yeasted phyllo dough filled with a special Cypriot cheese called pafidiko, made during the Easter period, especially for flaunes, flavored with mastiha, mastic resin, mahlebi, mahlab, and mint. If arrival at the farm is around 9 o'clock in the morning, it is possible to help with the milking, cuddle some baby goats, and sheep and pet some of the many farm dogs. All the farm animals are friendly and they are handled every day and also receive positive attention from the family. The song, The Shepherdess. I loved a shepherdess, a jealous daughter, but I loved her so much, I was a mute bird. I was a mute bird, a 10-year-old boy. A day when we sit in the flowering grasses. Maria, I tell her, I love you, but I'm ashamed to tell you. But I am ashamed to tell you. I'm crazy about you. She grabbed me by the waist, kissed me on the mouth, and told me with a sigh about sorrow of love. You're still young for the sorrow of love. I grew up and I'm looking for her. Her heart is looking for someone else. And the orphan forgets me, but I don't forget her. But I will never forget her kiss.
Loula's farm is the last stop on the Shepherd's Heritage Trail. If you haven't yet, be sure to visit the Panayia Milianiotissa chapel and St. Spyridon's chapel on your way to Kato Drys Coffee Shop. Find the link to the map of the trail in the description of this video below, or contact the Mola Culture Factory for more details.